How to get high authority SEO backlinks for your website using BuzzStream. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. If you are a serious entrepreneur, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost your online earnings. Now in this video, I'm speaking about a website called BuzzStream, and this kind of pertains to your search engine optimization. So just in case you don't know, search engine optimization is basically the art of ranking your website in the major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. It's the way in which you manipulate your website in such a way that appeases these search engines to help you to gain higher rankings when someone goes to the search engines and types in a query related to your business, your products, or your services. However, one of the really major topics in search engine optimization is backlinks. Now, backlinks is basically when another website links back to your website. So they leave a link on their website back to your website. Now, why is this important? Well, backlinks is a way of kind of attributing authority to your site. So it's a way of referencing your website or another person's website. So if you have a website and loads of other websites are linking to that website, so they have a link on their website to that website, then the major search engines will kind of be like, wow, that website has a lot of other websites linking to it. They must be linking for a reason. Maybe there's an important resource on that website that is really valuable, or maybe that website is doing something really cool in the industry. So basically it's a way of the major search engines establishing that that website has high authority. So obviously the major search engines actually want to rank higher the websites and the web pages that have high authority. And one of the questions that a lot of people have is, how do I get more backlinks back to my website? Now, before I even get into BuzzStream, I kind of want to speak about some of the bad ways to get backlinks to your site. If you're paying for backlinks to your site from dodgy websites, then that can actually adversely affect your website. You want to only get links from sites that are of high authority. And if Google or any of the other search engines feel like you're trying to game the system, then that can actually negatively impact your SEO rather than actually positively influencing your SEO. So you want to make sure that you're authentically building backlinks, and one of the ways to do that is to actually reach out to bloggers who speak about topics related to your industry. Let's say you sell red hats for older women. Maybe you want to find blogs that target older women, that target your demographic, and see if you can either contribute an article as a guest post, or see if there's any kind of collaborative effort that you guys can do. Maybe you can write an article for them, they can write an article for you, or they can maybe even review one of your products and have that on their website. Whatever you do, it's really good to build relationships with other bloggers, with other websites, with other people who are producing content, kind of targeting your target demographic. Now, it doesn't have to be your direct competitors, but someone who also has the attention of your target audience. BuzzStream is a great way to do this. And as you can see, I'm actually on the Chrome web store now because BuzzStream actually have a Chrome extension. So I've installed it already. It's this one up here. This is what it's going to look like. And once you get access to BuzzStream, which I'm going to be showing you their prices kind of towards the tail end of this video, you'll have access to this Chrome tool as well. And I kind of want to show you what it does. So firstly, if you go to the search engine, so I've gone to Google and I've typed in cooking blog. So I'm kind of assuming you might have a cooking blog as an example. You can type that into Google or whatever query you've typed into Google. And once you've got this little Chrome, this BuzzStream Chrome extension tool, what you can do is you can right click on the page and you can find the BuzzStream marker and you can create a prospecting list. So what this does is it shows you all of the pages that are on this particular search result. So what I can do is I can click on each kind of page and I can look at this website and see whether or not it's a website that kind of works well with me. Maybe I want to reach out to the owners of this website, and I can be like, yeah, cool, that's a really good site. I'm going to keep this on my prospecting list. And then I can go to number 2, click on that one, and quickly and easily kind of see, okay, maybe let's say, for example, this was a website that didn't really match what you were going for. Then you can be like, okay, cool, not that one. I'm going to delete that one off the prospecting list. And you can see how quick and easy that is. And you can kind of just go through all of these and decide which ones to add to your list and which ones to not add to your list. And let's say you've gone through all of them, you can actually add to your project. So I'm going to click add to project, and that imports, it's gone. So when you actually log into your BuzzStream account, all of those websites will now be inside BuzzStream. So let's go to BuzzStream, for example. And if I refresh, so all of these websites now that I've literally just added are right in BuzzStream, and it gives me all of this information. I can see the domain authority. So you can see how quickly and easy it is to kind of prospect in the search engines for kind of, you know, websites that are similar to yours, or websites that are kind of worthy to collaborate with. It's a quick and easy way. You can do this. I just done it for page 1, but you can do it for page 1 of Google, page 2 of Google, page 3 of Google, page 4 of Google, without having to kind of like manually copy the URL and paste it in, you know, and then have to keep track of the domain authorities of all of them. This is a quick and easy way to do it using BuzzStream. Another thing that you want to keep in mind as well is you can actually click on any of these sites. So I'm going to click on this site. And let's say, for example, I wanted to directly reach out to this site, or add this one website to my prospecting list. I can click on my BuzzStream Chrome extension. Then I can actually see the website's information, and the BuzzStream kind of extension, it automatically populates their information. So I can see their Gmail, I can see their contact, and I can also see their About Us page. So if I click on the About Us page as well, then this kind of gives me more information that I can kind of that either BuzzStream will automatically populate for me, or I can just copy and kind of put straight into BuzzStream. If I wanted to copy that and add it to the description, then I can. I can also add tags to this. If I wanted to put that this was a cooking blog, I can put cooking blog in the tags and then add that tag, so that I can kind of easily kind of find that and categorize the different websites. And then I can save, and it will add it to one of my projects. So quickly and easily, I can actually add it to my project. And if you're really trying to build up relationships with other websites, connect with them, work with them, and build up your backlink portfolio, then BuzzStream is a really great place to do this. It makes it super easy, super simple for you to do this. Now, the last aspect of BuzzStream that I really wanted to speak about was the prospecting. So you can actually go to discovery when you're inside of BuzzStream, and you can actually search by keywords. So let's say I typed in cooking and search. This will actually show you some of the websites that you might want to kind of work with and you might want to start building relationships with. You can narrow it down by number of followers on Twitter, by last activity when they last posted. So obviously you might want to work with a website that is posting regularly. So that might be something that you want to actually, you know, think about. You can also search by domain authority. So maybe you're looking for websites with a higher domain authority to reach out to, then you can find those as well. And you can search by category and location, specific locations as well, if that was important to you. So when you actually go through this, you can see different websites that might kind of suit what it is you're looking for, and you can view the profile to get a kind of deeper look in that specific website. You can see, you know, the engagement level is very high for this particular website. You can see the average shares per post, you can see the average Twitter followers, and you can see the post frequency, and you can also see some of their latest posts and how well they have done on social media as well. So this kind of gives you a really to the point overview of this particular website, and you can add it to your projects as well, and then kind of easily go back and have a look at some different websites as well that they show you. So it's a quick and easy way to find websites that are relevant, websites that you might want to collaborate with, and websites that could help you to build up your website backlink authority. So I will leave a link in the description down below to BuzzStream. I also want to take a look at some of their pricing. So on their website, they actually have plans and pricing, and they have a starter plan which starts from $24 a month and it goes all the way up to $100 a month for maybe if you're a bigger company and you're looking to really have like different users, and if you're trying to get the most out of it, then that might be something for you. But you can literally start from the $24 a month package, and you can try it for 14 days free as well and have a play about with it for 14 days and see whether or not it floats your boat, see whether or not it makes your prospecting easier for you. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. I also have the formula, guys. This is the formula to generating leads and sales online. In it, I speak about traffic. So obviously SEO is one aspect of driving traffic, free traffic to your website. There's other methods as well, but you want to really understand how to convert that traffic into leads and sales, and that's what I speak about in the formula. So make sure you're not only thinking about traffic, but you're also thinking about, wait, when I get visitors to my site, are they actually going to convert into leads and sales? So make sure you grab yourself your free copy of the formula. I will leave it somewhere on this screen and in the description down below, so go and grab yourself a copy. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, download the formula, and I will see you soon.